So this is part two, how to provide feedback to students on Flipgrid. So I have a video response here from assumably one of the students, and then I'm going to open it. Now you have to log in as using your Educator account. If you using if you're logging in as a student, you cannot do this. You have to have the Educator account. You have to sign in as an educator. Now I can reply directly to the student, but this is going to be shown in the topic in the grid. This is going to be public for the rest of the participants. Um, you can click on reply from here, and then you can record that video from here, and then add any of these options. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly do this. Okay, it's a couple of seconds video. Next, add a selfie. Do this. Preview, add a selfie, and then so on. So this reply or this response are going to be shown to the entire people invited to that particular topic. But now I want to give my student, you can add the title for that video and you can submit my video. Now, as an educator, I want to give a private feedback for my student. Okay, I already tried. Okay, so you're supposed to see this. You want to give a video feedback. So you click on the video feedback, and then same process of recording a video. You record a video, for example, talking about the feedback that you have for the student. You preview it. For example, talking. Next, you take a selfie, maybe add a sticker or something, and then click next. Now you have provided a video feedback. This is an awesome thing in Flipgrid because you provide it to the student directly. Yani, this is private. Only the student who posted the video can see this. And then you already have a rubric, as we discussed, but you can edit that rubric again. So for this one, I chose a custom rubric, and I'm going to add another criteria, which is, for example, language to fonts. If you are one of those people who evaluate based on language. And then you write a description, and then you create. So here I can add a criteria again. So I have 3 criteria that I can use to give a feedback to the student. Again, by clicking on the video, I already posted a video feedback, and then I can say, okay, based on language, he made 5 out of 10. And then you can write in here whatever the written comments that you want. You can copy the feedback link and give it to the student. So let's take a look at how's that feedback link, how's the feedback is shown to the student. The student sees this. He sees your feedback. Right. Or you can email a feedback. This would immediately email it to the student who posted the video. Okay. So for example, I've got an email that I will show to you right now. And this is how it looks to the student. So right now, it sent me an email as a student saying you have a new Flipgrid feedback. So it shows me the link to the feedback and the video feedback and the grading and the criteria and the comments and so on. So that's it. Last but not least, is that you can get many ideas from the Disco library, as you can see, Disco library. And then you can, what I prefer to do, you have many things that you can do here, but what I prefer to do is to actually search by topic. So for example, I would try with comparison, and then I would get some results, some prompts that other people did. For example, I love this one, character comparison. And once I click on it, I can also add it to my grid. So I can add it from here, choose the grid, add. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them.